see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, first day of school.
Boogies, you got lots of food.
Got lots of bananas.
This is cinnamon, this is nut,
No, there's no nuts.
this is banana,
Yep.
this is banana,
There's all banana, Baba. That's all bananas.
banana.
I got you the chocolate banana. Si Holly tsaka si Kuya naka school uniform, si Sak PE uniform. Si Kuya nasa bathroom pa nag-ayos ng buhok. How much you got, Sak? $2. The what? Bibigyan sila ni Daddy ng $2. And si Daddy, ida-drop off sila sa sa bus station kung saan sila pipick up. And then, alis si Daddy. Kasi si Mary...
I'm not gonna eat it, I'll eat that tomorrow.
What? Pinili niya lang kung ano yung babaunin niya.
That's too much.
Okay. But before...
Yeah, that's when I was fat.
Huh?
That's when I was fat.
Before kulang sa kanya. What, Baba?
Yeah, I know, just be ready.
I still gotta go in there. Dad, can you open this, please?
Got dance tonight.
Yes, oh yes, back to dance every single day. So I have to drive 4 times a week to the mount this week, every week. Then Thursday sabay para naman sa kanyang training. So yeah, para rin ako nag-school. Every day ako aalis ng bahay. See, I love you. Drive careful. So you're bringing Storm? Yeah. Full day for you. Full day.
See, kids?
Oh, you're not dropping them off? Why?
Hook the trailer and get ready to over there, son.
So...
Go, son, get on.
Okay. So mag-walking. Okay, mag-walking na lang sila. Kasi para hindi gabihin si Jan sa dang kasi balikan lang naman siya. Alright, Baba. Put your lunch away ka. Oh, madaling araw na ako madaling araw natapos kagawa ko ng banana bread.
Let's see, guys. Let me show you.
I already showed them.
Oh, what's there? Kiwi. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Oh, you got, the chocolate chip.
And the
Smiley Fritz.
and some big strawberries.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's your lunch. And make sure you finish it, please. Eat that one first before all the junks.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the strawberries and kiwi. Then at recess I'll have the banana bread.
Yeah. Ayan si Kuya. You're so handsome. Ayan. Are you bringing water? Yes.
And
Get your lunch and snacks. Ayan, pipili rin siya. Okay. Ang dami niyang eliminate. Oh. I already gave you, Baba. Okay. O, diba? Yan yung mga tinira ng boys. Si Holly lahat kinuha eh.
I get everything.
Yeah, alright. So, sinobrahan niya pa yung kanya. Baba, make sure you eat it all, ha?
Thanks.
That's too much na.
I just leave the popcorn. Can you bring this so I
Okay, later. I'll bring it.
secure?
See ya.
See ya.
See ya. Listen and
Learn.
learn. love you. See ya. Love you. That's it. Sisak sumisilip.
I'm gonna save my dad's clothes.
Alright. Okay, guys. Good afternoon. Dito na pala ako sa school nakapark kasi back to routine na naman ako. Drive every day. Papunta dito para pick upin si Holly. Para sa kanyang dance class. Nakapagluto na pala ako. Hindi ako nag-vlog, guys. So, para hindi ako matambakan. So, ina-update ko lang kayo kung anong ganap ko today. So, nakapagluto ako ng spaghetti. And meron akong mga ginawa din dun sa bahay. And si Jan, wala pa. Mamaya pa yun. Hopefully, pag uwi namin ni Holly, nandun na siya. We'll see. But the weather is very nice today. Nakikita nyo naman, blue sky, sunny. Pero knitted kasi yung hangin dun sa amin malamig. Pero dito, nakaharap sa sun, medyo naiinitan ako. Yan guys. And may baon akong banana bread. And may mga ginawa ako na pang frosting sa aming banana na gagawin namin ni Holly, na i-decorate namin yung mga banana. Yung mini loaf bread na ginawa ko kagabi. Yan, gagawin namin yun ni Holly. Ipa-frosting namin and yes. And gumawa ako ng katayfi pistachio. Katayfi ba ang tawag? Ayan. Dinala ko kasi for sure, pag nakita to ni Sak, kakainin niya to. Kunti lang yung ginawa ko kasi sample lang naman to. Trinay ko lang. So, first time kong gumawa nito. Tama ba? Katayfi. Basta yung crunchy na Dubai pistachio. Yun. Meron tayong ginawa. And honey joy. Ayan, dinala ko. Dinala ko kasi nga si Sak. Pag nakita nyo, kakainin niya. So, kunti lang yung ginawa ko kasi nga pan-sample ko to dun sa ita-toppings namin ni Holly sa banana bread or mini banana loaf bread. So, yan. Kasi si Sak, pag nilagay ko yan dun sa microwave, basta mahilig si Sak magkalikot. So, gusto ko matry nila na nandun ako. Kaya, dinala ko na lang dito sa akin. And, yeah, yan yung ganap. Hi, love.
Did you bring me my popcorn?
Yes, I did. Here you go.
Thank you.
How's your day?
Good.
How's your day?
Good.
Nice and warm.
Hi, guys.
Have you eaten? Bahay na pala kayo, guys. Huh? How's your trip, babe? Long?
Long.
Kumain na sila. Si Holly na lang. Ito yung spaghetti. Ayan, yung sauce. And, ayan na. Yan na lang yung noodles. Wala pa tong frosting. So, try daw ni Jan etong banana cinnamon. Wala pang frosting yan, oh. Kumakain na siya. Ano?
What is that?
Cinnamon swirl with banana on top. Is it alright? Huh? But I like this texture.
Alright.
That one is a bit soft, no?
What one's the chocolate? This one?
This one.
This one. Oh, no, the same. That's the same. The one you want is that one. Kasi,
Where?
may ginagawa kasi akong experiment. Can you bring that one here, Holly? So, mas gusto ko to, mas fluffy. Yeah, this one.
That's the chocolate.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Oh,
This one.
Which one's chocolate? What's that one?
Try the chocolate one. Yeah, I like that one because it's bouncy.
This one.
Yeah.
No, this one.
Yeah, that's okay, soft.
Try that one, right?
Try this one, Sak.
No, I'm this one.
Yeah, try this one first.
Oh,
And
this one.
try this.
What's this
You have to
I've
try.
got more of them.
Yeah, but I have to put
What's
frosting.
this one?
It's a classic
Frosting.
one. Yeah, but I want
Where is
to
it?
try this one. This is the
Demon.
crumble.
Alright.
Good. Try the chocolate one.
Aha.
This?
Oh.
I want that one for school, please, Mom.
Yeah, si Holly. Oh.
You want that?
Best?
Thank you.
Try the chocolate one, Han. Ang dami kong ginawa iba-ibang ano.
Off and on.
Chocolate chips. But I want you to try the frosting
Right.
later.
It's like the one that you had in Yamba. You know, the banana.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when we went caravan last.
That one was the best.
What's that?
But I like this texture, Han. This one is a bit like cake texture.
Yeah.
This is cake texture. That one is bread texture, like banana.
Oh, that one.
The original one. I thought you like this one. Have you tried this? That's the one you liked the first time I made it. The crunchy.
Yeah, that one.
The cinnamon.
Yeah.
The cinnamon. Frosting na ginawa ko. Ay, tanggal naman lahat.
Down.
Oh.
Ginawa ko to kanina. Ayan. Cream cheese frosting. Try, Hana.
Hey, let me ride on your
I want to try.
No, you eat first.
Please.
Yeah, later.
Feed your belly
Bye.
button. It's hungry.
You try this.
Oh. See? Eat it. Yeah.
Nagyan ko muna ng konti ito. Try niya lang.
Tissue.
Ayan. Ayan.
I only just wiped my hands
Honey.
before and I had the cake. It's got cake on it.
It's cream cheese.
Huh?
Cream cheese. What? No?
No.
I don't like it. I don't put too much sugar. I just want nice and
That's all right. That's fine, yeah. That's fine, yeah.
Third one. The first one, second one, and third.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those ones.
Yeah.
And the chocolate.
So, nagustuhan niya yung first, pinakaunang ginawa ko. Ito yung square. Second, and ito yung third na tinatry ko. Medyo cake kasi ito eh. Medyo cake yung texture niya. Ito, bread. Fluffy and bouncy. Ayan. Try the Dubai. Just try. I just put a little.
Nah.
No?
What?
Ayaw niya. Sarap kaya. Sak! Come here. Eat the crunch. That one. You bite really big.
Good. Crunchy.
Is it like Dubai? You haven't tried Dubai chocolate, anyway, but
You
yeah.
make bar chocolate.
I'm not gonna make Dubai chocolate. It's too sweet. This one is already sweet, and you put chocolate, it's gonna be sweeter. So I just put it here. You like it?
But the chocolate one would be better with that.
With this? Okay. Then you do sa chocolate. This one?
That's a bit big.
Thanks.
Have the chocolate one better.
Chocolate one?
Yeah. Right better.
Bigo na siya. And kumakain siyang persimmon. And Gustong-gusto nila yung spaghetti. Hugasan na lang ang natira. Next day, ito na pala yung aking mga toppings sa miniature sa mini banana loaf bread. So, meron tayo dito yung ginawa kong pistachio na Dubai inspired. Then, meron tayong cinnamon glaze na may crumble. Then, ito yung cream cheese and chocolate chips banana. No, this is not chocolate. Ala, kulang pa pala itong isa yung chocolate. Wait. Siya. Dito na lang siya. O, diba? Ang daming flavors. Hindi na magkasya. Lipat ko dito sa malaking chopping board kasi hindi kasya doon sa maliit. So, mayroon tayong 2, 4, 6, 7 flavors. Wow. So, ito yung Dubai inspired. Then, ito naman is yung cinnamon crumble na may glaze. And this one is just classic. And ito yung Biscoff na may biscuit on top. And ito yung cinnamon swirl na may banana on top. And this one is chocolate banana bread with glaze. And ito yung ating cream cheese topping. O, diba? So, yan yung aking mga pinagbisihan ngayong umaga. And eto, I need to develop. Wow! Kailangan ko pang aralin masyado yung paggawa ng glaze kasi nag-melt siya. But anyway, ayun na siya, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, pwede ko na siyang ipakain sa boys. Well, si Jan, ang gusto ni Jan, eto, hindi niya to gusto. Yung pinatikim ko yan sa kanya yung crunch niyan, ayaw niya. Eto, hindi niya pa natikman. Eto, ang gusto niya. Iyan. Eto, hindi niya pa natikpan niya to kagabi. Gusto niya din, pero walang crunch. Punta muna ako ng farm bago ko pick upin si Holly. And si Jan, mamaya na, baka hindi yung marinig. Ayan yung mga cows kumakain. Binigyan sila ni Jan ng bagong bale ng hay. Nag-cut din siya ng grass dito eh. Ayan yung mga puno. Sobrang inaalagaan namin yan. Lalo na ni Jan. Kasi hindi pa namin alam kung mabubuhay sila dito sa lupa namin sa farm. Awa. Humingi siya ng yung mga parang pulubi sa ating August. I have a snack for you, hon. Are you getting ready for later?
What do you got there, babe?
Check it. Oh, careful. Just careful, honey.
I've got a bone.
Okay.
That's not a bad little snack.
What's that?
Not a bad little snack.
Good. I want you to try this. I'm excited for that one. Try that one. Ready niya na yung pagkain ni Storm for later. Ubus na yung crumble.
Oh, quick. Oh.
Welcome home, Stormy. Oh. Done? Yan pa rin. In 2 days, we're gonna burn these boxes.
Yeah, because you can burn end of the month.
Yeah, end of the month kasi yung pwede magsunog ng mga kahoy, ng mga boxes. Kasi hindi na ganun kainit or hindi summer. So, meron lang na time kung kailan kayo pwedeng magsunog dito sa South Australia. Or is it all over Australia? that rules all over Australia, I think. Pero dito sa SA. Yeah, so in 2 days, end of the month. Ayan ang lagi niyang iniinom. Ayan, na-pick up ko na pala si Holly. Hinintay na lang namin si Kuya. Kasi i-drop off ko din si Kuya sa training niya. Kasi diba dito na si Kuya sa mount. Speaking of Kuya, hiya.
Let's go. There's that many cars.
Okay, alright, let's go guys.
Hey, hold on, grab that.
Come on.
Bye.
Bye, ayan na. Kanina, ang busy doon sa kung saan kami galing sa school niya.
Ano oras?
4 o'clock kasi yung niya. Mayroon pa siyang, gusto niya makipaglaro muna. 10 minutes. Alright, hatid ko na. Wait! Hi. Hi, man. So, ihatid ko si Kuya. 4:30 ang kanyang training. So, siguro mga 5 minutes away lang naman dito sa dance class ni Holly. I-drop off ko siya. Then, balik ako dito or kuhaan ko sila ng, what do you want for dinner? Sushi ang gusto niya. So, punta ako ng Coles, mag-take out ako nun. Kasi, si Sak din kasi, meron ding training. So, meron akong pagkain dun kay Sak. Si Jan, mag-order na lang siya. Kasi hanggang 6:30 ako dito sa town. Hindi ako nakapagluto kanina kasi may ginawa rin ako. And yun nga, nabisi ako dun sa aking pag-frosting ng banana, paggawa ng iba pang frosting, and nagtupi. So, yun. Wala silang, si Sak lang ang may dinner doon. Si Jan kasi gusto niya ng something na, sa pub. So, sabi ko, sige, ikaw na lang mag-pub. Tapos sila kuya ko na ang bahala. So, yun guys, ang ganap ko today. And kausap ko si yung Bicolana. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow, follow her. And, sarap na sarap si Jan dun sa ating dalang banana bread. Kaya, okay yung frosting ngayon. So, ititik ko na yun na okay na yun. So, gusto ni Jan yung cream cheese frosting na may honey joy. Or what do you call that, Kuya? The cornflakes and honey crackle. Kasi dalawa, ang iba honey joy ang tawag. Yung si Jan naman ang tawag honey crackle. Then, yung isa, yung may crumbs, yung crumble, ang tawag ko doon. Na mayroon siyang drizzle na white sugar lang. Pwedeng white chocolate, pero kanina kasi wala na akong oras para mag-melt ng chocolate. So, ginawa ko na lang yung icing sugar. Mas madali. Sa drizzle ko siya. And nagustuhan ni Jan. And yun yung ganap ko today. So, yung vlog ko is iba-ibang araw. Is that your team?
Yeah.
Alright, see you. Alis na si Kuya.
Sushi.
Bilang ko raw siya ng dinner niya. Alright. 10 minutes daw. Meron pang 2 minutes bago matapos yung dance class ni Ollie.
Zach! Come here!
What is this?
Can you help me open it, please, honey?
I got margarita.
So I can put it there, please.
No.
That's mine.
Look, Mum, we just tried them. They're good. I like them.
This
That
is
one.
TJ. And this is yours. Supreme. Is that right? Can you open this one, honey?
All
Maybe
right.
you will like this.
What cheese what?
Can you open that? Yeah, here, have some. Open it.
Okay, it's on them.
Garlic bread. Ayan. And ito yung kay Jan. Supreme kay Johnny Boy. Sa akin, creamy garlic prawns. Kay Sak Hawaiian. Kay Kuya Margarita and cheese bites. And I also have here more cheese bites. So, yun yung dinner namin, guys. And dalawang garlic bread. Holly,
Thank you.
welcome.
Try and paste, Mum.
Tapos na kayong kumain. What's that?
Did you make this or bought it?
What do you think?
Bought it. No, I made it.
I
But where'd
did.
you get this from?
Oh, I had that for a long time.
Oh, so you think you that's why you put it in there.
Mm.
To think
No,
you bought it.
I gave Daddy some.
So which one should I try first? Okay, so today we're trying Mum's banana bread with pistachio crunch and honey crackle, and this one with banana bread and Biscoff with Biscoff like
Biscuit.
Biscoff cream
Spread.
And then this one banana bread with cream cheese and honey crackle. I'm gonna try
Which one first?
pistachio first. That one's good.
Good.
That'll be better. Chocolate one with that.
One day I will make that, but for now, try that one.
Biscoff next. Not as good as the first one.
Yes, I agree. This is my favorite one.
Yeah.
Daddy's
that one's
favorite.
better. I
Yeah.
don't know if I like Biscoff now.
Huh?
I don't know if I like Biscoff now.
What's it like that?
Pretty good. And then cream cheese now and honey crackle.
That's Daddy's favorite.
I don't know if I like this one. I don't like cream cheese. I don't even know.
So now you like cream cheese now?
It's better than Biscoff.
It's better than, yeah. I thought this one. Which one is your first? So
First.
if you're gonna rate from 10, like, or say 5 is the highest, then 1 is the lowest.
No,
How you gonna rate?
10 out of 10.
Okay, how you gonna rate the pistachio?
8
The pistachio?
out of 10. 6.
6, the
Yeah.
Cream-
No, 7. 6 or... No, I'm not saying it. Just 6 or a 7.
6 or 7. How about the Bisco?
4 or 5.
Wow, 4 or 5. Sorry, you're not, I'm not fun with Bisco, but
So, I like this one best.
the best is pistachio. Daddy's favorite is the other one, the cream cheese.
But it's a bit hard.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna. Well, it's just a sample, so I'm still gonna try until I get the right consistency.
Front.
You love the crunch. I'll show the bread, the banana bread.
Oh, it's so fat.
Huh? You gonna
No, like, it's so fat.
so fattening? Yeah. Well, you don't have to eat all. I just want you to try.
Make more of that. And then that.
But some kids or some people love Biscoff, so I just try. Because you told me you like Biscoff
I used to. I had too much Biscoff cream on the
before.
milkshake.
So
I
you
put way too much and just
get sick of it.
like
So, but it tastes alright or what? Is it okay? No,
not really.
not really.
Don't make that again.
Don't make that again. Maybe I'll put salt to balance.
No. I don't like salt with like cookies and that.
Oh, you don't?
Like on top, no.
No? Oh, okay. Now I know.
But that one's good. Make more of that. Make a honey crackle one with like honey glaze. With,
With this banana.
no, with the honey cracker.
Honey crackle. Well, I already put
No,
hon-
with like honey
Again,
on
on
it,
it.
and then honey crackle on it.
Yeah, but the crackle is made with honey and sugar.
I know, but you just
You want me to drizzle it? All right. So, the top one, the second one.
last. I like the chocolate one better than that.
Ah, yeah. We still have more there.
But plain banana bread, that one's better than plain banana bread.
Ah, so from
That's
plain.
still bad though. I don't really like it.
But for plain banana bread, this is better with
Little
Biscoff.
tiny, but like the tiny.
Yeah, tiny, maybe-
a little bit more taste.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Good job, Mum. That's good, except that one.
So my brother just tried my mum's banana loaf with different toppings, mini, and his favourite was the pistachio crackle, well, honey crackle. That was his favourite one, like the best one he thinks. Then it was this one, and then it was the Biscoff. So
This one is cream cheese
Cream
with honey
cheese.
crackle.
Okay, so I'm gonna try this one, cream cheese with honey crackle. The knife. Next is the Biscoff. Next is my brother's favourite, the pistachio with honey crackle. I'm going to tell you guys. It's the same order as Kozak. If you don't remember, it was the pistachio, honey crackle,
Cream cheese.
cream cheese with honey crackle, then Biscoff. So they were all good, but it was my favourite.
Which one? Same as Kuya's, huh?
Yep,
And second.
was that one, then that one.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yes, I'm not fan of Biscoff, but I just try it because Kuya loves Biscoff before.
Yeah, I'm not
And now,
Biscoff anymore.
yeah, you get sick of it. So, yan guys. Yan yung rate nila sa aking banana bread with different kinds of toppings.